Here's another one of my aunt's neighbor's units. It's a 1989 Heil. It's got a Copeland Recip, 2.5-ton unit. Model CA1030BKA2. Manufactured the 18th week of 1989. Suction lines cold and sweaty. Liquid lines warm. Basement silk. This is matched up to 1996 Lennox WhiperHeat 80% efficient gas furnace. There's a 2001 2-ton American Standard that's not running. This is a 2.5-ton. Largest model available in the neighborhood, but the house is. Yeah, that's a nice unit. The original unit was only 5 years old when it was replaced with this. But it sounds just like, there you go, it just shut off. It sounds a lot like my grandparents' 1988 Kenmore. But, you know, there you go, it shut off. You can see down there the Copeland Reciprocating compressor. At least I can. Way down there. Okay, well, thanks for watching.